I'm Dr. Laura Herschdorfer, and I practice in several locations in Miami and Aventura area. I'm an implant dentist. Through a friend, she's a periodontist, and we work together in one of her offices. So she mentioned the course and the new things that we can bring into our practice, and I thought it was fantastic. Getting to the hands-on part for sure, where we get to practice on each other. I hadn't drawn blood before, and it was a very straightforward process, and we had people come and check on us, so it was fun. He's very clear in his ideas in communicating, and he has a good pace where you are engaged throughout the whole talk. Also, I really like the fact that he was very engaging and showing lots of clinical cases, different examples. The sticky bone and the PRF, the membranes, the extended membranes, for sure, and for GBRs and socket graftings. Definitely, I would recommend if you have a couple of colleagues or friends that you want to bring, it's nice to have a group to discuss, but absolutely recommend it.